Right.
What do you mean by that?
Well, one gear when it's spinning will move other gears as it turns.
So the questions are going to move to maybe
mechanically. That's
the interpreting, analyzing,
so true.
communicating.
Yes. And
So
there's no real place to start.
You formulate your questions.
stop.
Well, you got to kind of
Exactly.
start in the middle because well, it doesn't have to, but you want to start formulating
Well,
things.
exactly.
I
The
think
questions
you
sort
can't
of
evaluate
generated.
and draw conclusions until you have.
Yeah.
Why do some have more spokes than the other?
Oh, you're wondering. Okay.
Yeah, I have questions.
Of questioning, and it's important that really when we look at the deep inquiry questions,
Yes.
that's where we want to lead and support,
Yes.
and then let our students go asking questions. So we want to support them through gradual release, right? We want to help.
What kinds of information can you get from reading this map? How does this gym-sized map help you more in your inquiry than the other maps you have seen, and why? How do physical features and climate contribute to differences in the ways people around the globe live? What skills are you developing as you analyze this map?
Why is Russia so big?
Is Greenland part of Europe or North America? Why don't we have oceans?
Who first pronounced Ontario?
What is the capital of the United States?
How did we end up with the Canadian flag we use today? Who made the first Ontario flag?
First I stepped on the map and looked around to find different countries on the map of Canada. I found one, it was Mexico, two actually. I found Russia and the United States. And then we went to stand on, Mr. Smith gave us a job to go stand on a country, so I went with a partner and we stood on Russia because that's where I was. And then other people put different words like north, east, south, west around the map in the special places. And then we put flags. I put one at none of it. So, and now we're just doing sticky notes and putting them on the map and asking questions about them. I really liked the map, and it was a great privilege to have it in the gym and let us use it.
Okay, and can you tell me what your question was?
My question was, who first pronounced Ontario? So, questions were right because we got a sticky note to write our questions. And one of my questions were, who made the first Canadian flag in Ontario? So we were standing on the map and we were showing what the north, east, west, and south were, where they were. And we were showing where the oceans and land were. And we got to write more than 4 or 5 questions. It depends on how many sticky notes you got. And we were standing on the map and we were looking at the different oceans and land and provinces.
Hey, why did you like this activity?
I liked it because it was fun, because we got to learn about all the different countries and water that's on the huge map that's in the gym.
No, I'm wondering if the middle piece, the formulating questions, is one of the most important pieces in inquiry. That we ask questions, we reformulate questions, we come up with our own point of view, we encounter other primary sources, we talk to people and think about what else we're thinking. We change our ideas, we go and find more information. And so the questioning piece and re-questioning and the synthesizing that happens might be an important piece. That's why it's in the middle.
Well,
Or the starting point.
If you read the other four,
The
you
starting
can't do
point.
any of those without formulating questions.
I think it's very student driven, and letting children have the opportunity to pursue their own interests and as well find the truth in what they're wondering, and to support them in that journey so that they understand how to find sources, they understand how to evaluate sources. That's part of the journey that the teacher takes with the student.
Asking questions, like developing questions, big ideas.
Inquiry is in every curriculum document at the front, so I see inquiry as going across curriculum areas, so it's integrated to me. It's in literacy when we look at critical thinking. It's in math or numeracy when we look at how can I make a difference. When I see that so many animals are, being slaughtered somewhere, what impact is that having? It leads me to look at data. And then also at social studies, that historical thinking. So they all connect to me together. It's a rich foundation if we do integrated inquiry.
I think it's just learning by doing. So kids are constantly doing things or trying to solve a problem on their own and figuring it out for themselves with a little bit of help from the teacher or facilitator.
I like that, hands-on.
Hands-on.
Hands-on, yes, for sure.